Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Jingkilanmet kabakhat hanriu jong Shipai kari India bat Mongolia yak balatip kum kan nomadic elephant arja afusal kelas Sdang mentaka step hakajaka Jingkikai kabakarpang jong Shipai kabadan ha Umroi Ribhai district Nongkit Tien Syiem ne ambassador kari Mongolia sha India uganbol dambajav ulawan ban Plie yak ne Jingkilanmet jong kiniki artali kikin hun Shipai ute Nongkit Tien Syiem kari Mongolia uganbol dambajav uliat hu baga jingpenong yak ne Jingkilanmet kalong kum shibenta ban penskam ya karukam terekam ke jung Shipai jung ni ki artri kiri baru ban wanra ya ke jinga dei ke bayajan wat haki benta jung kam san Hima sima kayo ka kot ka puli puthi ka kot ka khya bat kiwe de ula pente baru ya ke Jingkilanmet nomadic elephant Sdang ningkong haus nam arja henrio bat pen pau ya ke jinga dei jung kari Mongolia bat kari India nadu ki hajar snam ki ba menshwa bat khmilen tiru bakani ke jinga dei kandangi beteng na uwe usnam sha uwe pan Kani ke Jingkilanmet kadai shibenta nak mentaban penklan ya karukam terekam jong Shipai kamtam banwanra jing suk hakiri ki badan Jingkilanmet ki bahap hapo ka shatri jong ka United Nation Kani ke Jingkilanmet ka aya kerensan nak menta Shipai jong kari Mongolia bat India bakin yok bansa mi ki buat terekam jong ki mar kaliang ute Nongkit Tien Syiem kari Mongolia lapen pauru ya ke Jingkermen scam baki Shipai ki badan menta hakani ke Jingkilanmet kin yok shibun ke jingmentai bat jinghikai hakini ki khat saus ngi lenter kata naduk menta ka lai tarik haduk ka khat handriu tarik jong ubnai naitung arja apusau hakani ke Jingkilanmet nomadic elephant ka bakhat handriu nakaliang jong kari India lawan ban shimenta da saupusan ngut ki Shipai jong ka Syiem scouts bat kiwe de ki Shipai kat bana kari Mongolia pat lawan ban shimenta da ki Shipai naga 150 quick reaction force battalion
सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा
Firstly, Sam Betsanu and to my friends from the 1st, 2nd Scouts, Sapaigo Mero Ram Ram. It is with great pleasure that I extend a warm welcome to His Excellency and both the contingents of both our countries. The Umroi military station is nestled in the northern foothills of Shillong. Since 2006, this exercise, Nomadic Elephant, has been a monumental endeavor showcasing the strength of joint training, military exchanges, and shared learning. It marks a significant milestone in our bilateral relationships, highlighting the enduring partnership between Mongolia and India. This is the 16th edition of Exercise Nomadic Elephant, and it bears a true testament to the values of both our countries and the armies of both countries. I'm sure that in the intensity of this training, each of you will stand shoulder to shoulder, learning from each other and imparting knowledge to each other. This joint training node in Umroi, which has been created, actually is the best that we have in the country in terms of the state-of-the-art infrastructure, as well as the area in terms of the sheer land mass required for training bodies of troops. I'm sure that both the contingents will utilize it effectively. I'm sanguine as the exercise progresses, the camaraderie and the collaboration across the troops of both the countries will be fostered, and there'll be a greater sense of unity, shared purpose between our soldiers and officers. In conclusion, I wish to extend my warmest regards to His Excellency Gambol Dambajev, the Ambassador of Mongolia to India, and the officers and men of the Mongolian contingent as well as the officers and men of the 1st, 2nd Scouts who have come here to conduct this training. And I wish both the contingents all the very best. As they say, Amjit Husi in Mongolian. I hope my pronunciations are correct. Thank you, Ambassador.
The Chief of the Army Staff, Indian Army, and all ranks of the Indian Army contingent welcome our esteemed guest from Mongolia to India. It's a great privilege and honor to be part of this 16th edition of India-Mongolia Joint Exercise Nomadic Elephant. We are gathered here today not as just representatives of respective countries, but as friends committed to a shared vision of peace, stability, and mutual cooperation. As fast-growing economies, we share similar aspirations, concerns, and security threats. We have come together to share our knowledge, experience, and best practices to enhance our collective capabilities for fighting in sub-conventional operations, especially while operating under Chapter 7 of United Nations mandate. This exercise is a symbol of unity in purpose and our determination to work together. We also look toward to learn from Mongolians' rich operational experience of operating in multinational environment across varied terrain under United Nations mandate.
General Officer Commanding 51 Sub-Area, esteemed guests, and the contingent members of both India and Mongolia to the 16th edition of the exercise Nomadic Elephant. The exercise will be conducted at the Joint Training Node Umroi for a duration of 14 days commencing today and culminating on the 16th of July 2024. Nestled within a meticulously secured compound, the Joint Training Node at Umroi serves as a premier destination for training. At the core of the facility's allure lies its avant-garde infrastructure such as battle obstacle course, natural rockcraft area, jungle lane, sniper, and reflex firing ranges. This joint exercise will provide an opportunity for both Indian and Mongolian armies to train and operate jointly in sub-conventional operations under Chapter 7 of the United Nations Charter. I take this opportunity to thank the governments of our two nations for taking the initiative of bringing us together. I am sanguine in my hope that this exercise reflects the vibrancy of the Indo-Mongolian relationship. I now invite the contingent commander of the Indian Army, Colonel S.P. Manoli, to welcome the contingents to the exercise Nomadic Elephant and share your thoughts with us.
Partnership, which brings us very good physical foundation for developing our bilaterals, not only in the political, economic, but also in the military, as well as culture, history, and education, as well as medicine. In case of the nomadic elephant, it was started in 2006, and I personally believe it brings our two nations, not only on the military, but also on the spiritual level closer. In case of Mongolia, it provides opportunity for our military service to strengthen its defense cooperation amidst the common security challenges, not only in our region, but all around the globe, as well as to prepare and bring up the friendly military camaraderie among our military staff. Thus, I would like to express all the best wishes to all participants to this important event, and I'd like to declare the Nomadic Elephant 2024 open as of today. Thank you.